Hi guys, I just want to introduce you to this Glitterbels unboxing video of the kit that comes with the fast track 3-day course for gels and acrylics. So this is the box that you get with the kit. It's this gorgeous rose gold Glitterbels travel case. So it just opens up like this. You've got the lock on the top and it pulls out. So you've got 4 drawers at the top, 2 on each level. So first I'm just showing you the lovely brush, the unicorn rose gold brush that comes with the kit. So this is for dusting off your nails. Next we have the cuticle pusher. So you've got one end which is flat and then one side which is curved. And you've got the gorgeous stork scissors. So all of the cuticle equipment is like this lovely multi-chrome colour. Next we have the keys. So this is for locking and unlocking the box. And then we have the little inserts that come, so you can just divide off the different sections, which is really good. So you can either make more room or separate your different equipment. So next we have the gels and the prep products. So here we have the almond cuticle oil. This smells absolutely amazing. It comes with a little brush on the end. Next we have the rubber top gel, which is for gels for just on the natural nail plate. Then we have the base coat for gels. I've already been through all this, hence why it's a bit covered in fingerprints and that. Next we have the no white top coat, which is for acrylics. We have the dehydrator, which is to dehydrate and remove any moisture from the nail plate. Next we have the acid free primer to prime the nails for acrylic application. So next we have the first colour of gel polish, which is white gloss, which is just a completely white polish. I already use Glitterbels gels, so I've already got this in my kit, but it's nice to have an extra white. This brightness on this is a little bit it's quite high, I'm afraid, so apologies about that. Next we have sultry siren, which is this lovely metallic, deep kind of berry red. It's absolutely gorgeous colour, really good for Christmas. So if you don't have that one, definitely recommend it if it's on the website, if it's in stock. Next we have Glamorous, which is already my favourite colour. I've got this on my toenails at the moment. It's this lovely kind of perfect baby pink colour. It looks quite peachy in the video, but it's this kind of like the perfect baby pink. It's absolutely gorgeous. Would look gorgeous just on its own over acrylics as a background. So gorgeous. And all of these are 30-second cure polishes, I'm pretty sure. So in the next 2 drawers, we've got on one side, we have the base glue, which is your kind of all-round glue for tips, for crystals, gems, etc, etc. It's amazing. Next we have our lint-free wipes. And then we have our cuticle nippers, which are that same lovely multicolour chrome. And then on this side we have all of our cover powders. So I'm not going to show them all because I've already done a video with them included. So I'll link that in here. Next we have our soak off bowl for soaking off gels and acrylics. Next we have our edge cutter, our tip color cutter. Next we have our sanitizer spray for sanitising the nail plate, removing dust, etc. And then we have our diamond shine cleanser, which is kind of your top coat sticky layer removal solution. Now we have a mini bottle of clear monomer, and we have our removal foils. Next we have our swatch sticks, which are for practicing. And then we have our tips. So these are the square matte finish tips. So they come in different sizes, obviously. I'm going to just open up and show you. So this is what they look like. They're a really nice shape. I really like them. Next we have our dapping dish, which is clear. You've got your lovely glass lid here. And I'm so glad mine wasn't smashed, because knowing my luck, mine would have smashed. It's just got the Glitterbels logo in the base there. It's a good size. This isn't the same size as my other one that I've already got from a different brand, so it's nice to have a spare one just in case. So next at the bottom we have our acrylic practice sheet. This is for practicing your beads, so your different sizes and different wetness of beads, which is really nice that it comes with this kit. So next I'm going to bring you around to the little drawer that is in the bottom, the little secret drawer that everyone's been struggling to find. And here's a little slow-mo of me shutting this because I thought it was really satisfying. I'm definitely going to drop this case at some point because it doesn't have wheels, knowing me. So here's a little secret drawer, it just pops open. So in here you've got your files and your brush. So first thing I'm going to show you is the brush. This is I'm pretty sure it's called the Rose Gold brush. It's a size 8, which is a good size to start. Personally I would prefer a 10 or 12 brush. Next we have the washable file and a little block. We have our metal file. I've already got one of these, but I'm glad I've got a spare one. And then it comes with inserts. So you've got your 100 and 150 grit files. So these just peel back and stick on. So that's a little drawer there. And I'm sorry if I went a bit fast for you. It's my first voiceover video, so apologies if I'm going too fast. But thank you so much for watching, and subscribe please and like my channel, and have a good day. Cheers!